there, I'm Mel from Boxed, and if you're after a sturdy cake box to present your beautiful creations, then keep watching as I've got the perfect box for you. Our 8-inch high cake boxes come flat packed that can be easily put together just like this. So it's going to arrive exactly like this with the gloss on the outside. So make sure you keep the gloss on the outside, flip that over. You're going to take this first big panel up and you're going to just pop the first tab just straight in. They click really easily into place. These were designed by professional cake makers and they're super easy to use. Second one clicked into place. You're going to continue along this side and you're going to finish this last tab over here. Really easy. You're going to flip it around to the other side and just repeat. So the big panel pops up here. You're going to slot that side tab in. You're going to slot the last side tab in there, and then you've just got one more tab to do on the lid over here. So you'll pop that one into there. You're just going to pop it up, hold the two tabs in slightly there, and just lift it over straight up. And just like that, you have yourself a gorgeous cake box that'll make transporting your creations so much easier. Available in different sizes, our standard cake boxes stay the same in height but change in width. So do make sure to check your board's dimensions before purchasing, just to make sure there aren't any surprises come delivery day. You'll also want to make sure that the box you are buying is larger than the cake board you're using. A tight fit means you'll struggle to put your cake in the box, because as you can see by design, the cake will need to be placed in from the top, carefully of course. Here's a great tip: place a small piece of non-slip material at the base of your box before placing your cake inside. By doing this, you can prevent the cake from sliding within the box during transit. Our boxes are made from high quality paperboard and 100% food grade recycled paper and are finished in a lovely glossy white. The easy to wipe surface is perfect for use in the kitchen because, as we know, getting messy fingers when dealing with food is unavoidable. Our customers tell us they love the white box, especially if they add their own stickers showcasing their brand. Now, don't just think that our boxes can only be used for just cakes. The design allows for other purposes such as donut boxes or decorative chocolate storing, making them great value for money. Our cake boxes are incredibly reliable and durable and are excellent for weddings, birthdays and corporate events. Thanks so much for watching.